And so we're estimating that right now in Ottawa there could be from a couple of hundred to even 1,000 cases of COVID-19 in the community. And therefore, I'm asking today that people strengthen their social distancing measures. I know there's going to be some questions, so I'll just take a moment to go through that a little bit more. When I say that everyone in Ottawa should strengthen their social distancing measures, I mean that people should stay home unless there is an essential reason to take a trip to the grocery store, to a pharmacy, to look after an ill friend or family member. It means that people should not send their children to daycare unless they need to get into work for an essential purpose. We do know that daycares in town are screening any children, parents, visitors, and staff also to make sure that people are not coming into a daycare setting with illness. It means that people can still go outside and walk your dog. It means you can play in the park, take your children out, but as you're doing those things, to make sure that you are keeping a distance from others. That distance is 1 to 2 meters. That will be a way to decrease transmission of the virus in our community. I just want to explain the rationale, because this is early days. I didn't say we have thousands of cases in our community. It's the time now to keep the transmission rate slow, because if we don't, we know from looking around the world what can happen is the number of cases can rise very quickly and it can overwhelm our healthcare system. What we don't want to see is that people in our healthcare system have to choose between one person and another person when it comes to life-saving measures. And so this really is about decreasing the peak number of infections at one time so that our healthcare system can manage. I really appreciate that people are taking this seriously. They understand action now will allow us to get through the COVID-19 outbreak with less harm.